Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to our channel, and in this video let's do the unboxing of the OnePlus Buds Z. I have ordered this straight from OnePlus and I just got it delivered today, and I have ordered the color white here. And as you can see, there's nothing on the top except for the branding OnePlus and the name of the device, color, and the device itself, the photo of the device itself. And then towards the left you can see there is features mentioned here, like it is having the burst boost, 20 hours of battery life, water and sweat resistance, comfortable and cool design, and seamless connection. And in the bag you have your usual stuff that's mentioned here. Do pause the video if you want to go through all of these. I'll move forward, and there is literally nothing else on the other side. Let's go ahead and open this. So I think there's a pull tab here to open the cover, so let's make use of that. Okay, comes out pretty easy. That's cool. That's a good idea, OnePlus. Kudos. Okay, so let's open this up. Pretty much OnePlus style. Okay, so there you go. It's taking its time. That's okay. Yay. So here you have the device itself. So this is the device itself. Let's take the bad boy out, and there's a small tiny plastic wrap on top of it. Let's take that out as well. Whoa, it's slipped almost. It's very glossy, guys. Take note of that. So let's get rid of the plastics here, and yeah, this is the case. And let's come to this at a later point of time. Okay, and let's see what else do we get inside. So this is it, and then I don't think we will have anything inside this. Let's take a look. Yeah, there's nothing inside this. And then there's a pull tab here as well. Let's see what do we have. Okay, Buds for life, and then there is accessories inside. That means you should be having some of the accessories inside. Let's see what do we get. Okay, oh yeah, so I think we have the buds here. Okay, so nothing else inside, and these are the extra tips. Okay, and very cute USB-A to USB-C cable, looks very cute. And then your usual, the user manual and all those stuff. So I'm not okay, let us go through it. Let's see what else we have inside. Okay, so this is a Red Cable Club card. You can join Red Cable using this card, and there's a QR code as well behind. And then you have your usual user manual and all those stuff, and safety and warranty instructions here, which I'm not gonna read all of these. Coming to the device itself, let's take all of these aside. Okay, so let's move all of these aside. We don't need them. Okay, let's get rid of these. Let's get rid of these as well. Okay, so we have the device itself. So it is a very cute carry case, I would say. It looks good, and to give you a physical overview, I think this is the LED light that's up here, and this blinks. And there is OnePlus logo embossed here, and guys, this is completely glossy, so it can be slippery at times, but I like the touch and feel of it, and it does not feel cheap. It looks premium, and it feels premium also. And you have your USB Type-C here, and there's a small button here that can be used for pairing the device to any other devices, pairing the buds to any other devices. Okay, as soon as we open the case, you see there's a glowing bulb there. That's the LED that's glowing. This means the buds are ready to pair. Okay, so let's take the buds out. Wow, okay, this feels premium. This does not feel plasticky at all. And the case, guys, has a very good premium feel to it. I was not expecting this at all. I was really expecting this, this to be a very thin layer of plastic, and to my surprise, this holds up really good. This quality is really good. Okay, so as soon as we open the lid, you can see the buds themselves, and this is the left part and this is the right part, and you can take them out like this. And yeah, this is pretty much everything. And it has a magnet inside, so if you just place them there, it'll just attach it automatically, so you do not have to worry about taking them out and then placing them on the right place. So it just goes like this, that's it. And these are very strong magnets as well. As you can see, I'm shaking it very hard, and the case lid got closed, but the buds are not falling apart. So very good job there, thank you OnePlus. And let's take these out and see what do we get inside. Okay, so here, so you have the device, and this place right here is for touch controls. I know these are double tap to control and all those things from OnePlus, and these are the charging ports to charge the buds. And then you have microphones here, and you have another microphone here as well. So this is the physical overview of the device. I should say it feels really premium. There is no cheap feel to it, and I think OnePlus has made a very good move in releasing this device. So yeah, that's pretty much everything we had on this device. So let's catch up on the next video. Peace out.